Could an ex-president of the United States really find himself on the wrong side of a criminal trial? An intriguing question that has been making the rounds in recent political circles. Let's dive in and unravel this complex tale that begins in early March 2023. Manhattan prosecutors signaled they were nearing the end of their investigation into former President Donald Trump regarding hush money paid to Stormy Daniels. Trump was invited to testify before a grand jury, an invitation that left him contemplating his options. Notably, this investigation also encompassed probes into Trump's efforts to overturn the 2020 election results and his role in the January 6th Capitol attack. Fast forward to late March 2023. The potential indictment of the former president by a Manhattan grand jury started drawing parallels to the case of John Edwards, who was acquitted of similar charges in 2012. The key argument in Trump's defense would be that the payments were made to protect his family, not to influence the election. The case might hinge on whether the payments were intended to conceal the affair from voters. Witnesses like Michael Cohen, who arranged the payments, would play a crucial role. In addition, there were considerations of charging Trump with falsifying business records. The case was fraught with challenges, given the complexity of linking state and federal laws in campaign finance violations. By early April 2023, Manhattan prosecutors had brought a case against Trump for allegedly falsifying business records to hide hush money payments related to the 2016 campaign. The case was viewed as risky due to novel legal questions, but legal experts believed there was a path to conviction. Trump faced 34 counts of falsification of business records, charged as felonies. These charges required proving intent to conceal or further another crime. The case could potentially involve charges related to federal campaign finance crimes, state election law violations, or New York tax law violations. Critics questioned the lack of transparency and complexity of the case, with the potential for years of litigation and a possible Supreme Court review. To summarize, the hush money case against former President Trump involves potential charges of falsifying business records and campaign finance violations. The case hinges on whether the payments to Stormy Daniels were made to protect his family or influence the election. It is a complex and potentially lengthy litigation that could end up in the Supreme Court. Regardless of the outcome, it's a historic moment in American politics, as we may see the first ex-president on criminal trial.